you mentioned earlier that maintenance gets the blame for a lot of the problems, but they only are a very small fraction
Hmm.
of downtime.
Yep.
What can we do to begin to shift that culture and mentality?
So, um, what what I've done in the past is I start breaking down that data into uh, into those loss buckets, right? And I start defining terms, and that way, when I walk into a facility in the morning and I have to go explain that 30-minute breakdown, I can explain it. But at the same time, I could say, hey, we lost 4 hours on this box machine due to cardboard jams. So I'll take responsibility for that 30 minutes and I'll do what I can to fix it and make sure it never happens again. But what are we doing about the bigger issue? The 4 hours of downtime because of bad cardboard or whatever that we're losing on these machines, and getting people to ask questions, right? Instead of focusing on the 30-minute breakdown. And that's why I say we drove it, and I've always driven it from the maintenance department, is educating people, bringing that awareness that if we truly want throughputs, we need to understand why we're losing every minute of every day and then go after it. And so that's what I've done.